Today I want to do a vlog about how usually Khasi people have a funerals. Obviously there is a different ways to do it, but I try to explain to you the best as I can. I have attended several funerals here when I have been. Let's go. So firstly, when somebody dies here in Meghalaya, usually people, they keep the body in their own house for between 2 to 3 days. The reason for that one is because people come from different areas of Meghalaya, so sometimes it could take time to reach in the place where the body is. Every family member, every villagers, everybody who have known the person, they will have the time to say for the person for goodbye. It's the way of, you know, to spend the last moments with the body and to complete the cultural and church rituals and to give some time for prayers and respect. And of course, as a Meghalaya is a Christian state, some people they believe because when Jesus was buried and he was raised from the third day to the heaven, so that is also one thing why they keep the body for 3 days. It's a very huge happening. So many people come. Sometimes it comes hundreds, sometimes it comes for thousands. Depends also the person who dies. So in the first day, obviously all the family members will get to know, they are calling each other. And in the day one, doesn't matter the time, people start to come already in their house and start to help, and they start to prepare for the food and tea, and they start to also build the tents for the funeral. So firstly, thank you everybody who have sent all the love and support for our family. And yeah, that is also something what I need to say, that when somebody dies in our culture in a funeral, it's only for a one-day thing, and usually it is for the closest family members and closest friends. Nobody else will be coming to the funeral. But here in Khasi community, every family member and who is living in the same village, they will attend for the funeral and they will come to help, like this. Now people are back for the chairs and the cooking stuff and this and that, and that is something very beautiful, that the community, family, friends, they come together. They come to show the love and respect for the person who has died, and not only for that one, for the family. And then there is also the donations. People give also money for the family, so that is also way to show love and respect. Most likely these funerals, they cost quite much of money, because if there is thousands of people who come, so then there is also plenty of food. There is a sound system, there is a this and that, so it's a big happening. Okay. One of the, could say, rituals is that when the person who has passed away, we wash all the clothes. Why we wash the clothes? What has been in the household is because people believe that that one brings certain impurity for the household, and also the negative energy and all, so it will vanish away. So there is one group who will go to clean the clothes, and there is another group, another family members who will clean the house. Some people, they turn the photos and the pictures of the house in the way that people don't see them. It's a cultural thing and it's a cultural practice. But also one of the reasons is that people believe that it's not anymore about the daily life, because it's the funeral time. It's more about give time for the prayers and for the moment of that funeral. Among the Khasi community, people also believe when the person dies, that the spirit is still around. So it gives more room for the spirit to go around in the household and among the family. Now it's time to pack the bolero with the clothes. Giving a koi for somebody, it is a sign of welcome, sign of love and respect. So usually in funerals, weddings, you always see koi around on the table. So everybody feel welcome. Let's go. As we say in this side, Jano, Jano, let's go, let's go. This is the very typical way to drive here in India and in Meghalaya. So we are heading for Queen 9 right now. Then we're gonna wash the clothes and we're gonna eat there. So our first stop is here in Queen 9. We gotta buy some food. So we're gonna buy for kutung. I don't know where we can buy kutung. Where we can buy? Hane. Don kutung. Hate? Sampo. Oh, sampo is 50 na. To play. So guys, this is kutung. This is a very traditional food here in Meghalaya. It's like a dry fish, and from this one you can make a tumtap, my favorite one. Now we got the kutum. Now we're gonna buy some wang.
Yes.
Jano. Lapang my tick shop. Tick shop lapang man. Welcome to Umtasor village. Nice small waterfall around here. As it says, Meghalaya is land of hundreds of waterfalls, small and big. Washing clothes is so much more faster when you have plenty of people who wash them. Strong big sister, let me tell you. Elina is fully enjoying it. I think some people know what is this one. It's not ours, but I think somebody is marinating it more nicely. This particular liquid, ladies and gentlemen, it is right here. There is also bees. I think the bees probably want to also try it out. How is the taste? It looks a little bit urine, but it is not a urine. Ladies and gentlemen, people know already, it is a boko. So I will wash this carpet. And need to take so much care when you are washing the clothes here and walking on the river, because these rocks are very slippery. And then another thing is also sometimes you find a glass here and there, so need to take care of your steps. So what kind of equipment you need? It's a sotrum. No, sorry, sotrum is fruit. Soprum. Soap. And then a piece of plastic from probably from the onion bag or potato bag like that. And then what you do, you will use this soprum on the carpet like this. And then of course you use this one. Mr. White looks like me. This is not an easy thing to do, to wash a carpet in the river. My goodness, how this is done, man! This is very dangerous job, walking on the slippery rocks. So here it is, all the clothes are drying nicely. Let's go see the people are also cooking food there, what we will eat today. Honey, this is wang na? Wang.
Yeah.
I think some of you guys already saliva is coming in your mouth. Look at this one. That's why you need to take care where you step. Okay, anyway, what we have today? We have a wang. Then we have tomatoes, onion of course, garlic of course, some fish and rice. To be honest, I'm not a big fan of wang, but let's have it try. Oh, actually, wow. It is nice because I like that there is the tumlum, I mean dry fish. And wang is very spicy. There was many chili. Very tasty, man. So the food is done. Now it's time for have a shower, obviously, because everybody have sweat here nicely. Straight in the water like that. I think I'm clean now. That poco is still marinating here. So guys, we are done here in the river. Now we go spend time with the family in home. Let's go. Sometimes even people cover the mirrors. The spirit, as we know, other way called kaminsim. And the reason of that one is because shows of respect and also it keeps the environment calm. What Khasi people believe. If the mirrors are like normally open like that, people also believe that it brings a negative energy or to keep the family members more vulnerable. So it's very important to understand that it's actually doesn't have anything to do with the Christianity. It's more about the cultural and traditional Khasi thing to do. What some people do. Also some things that is quite interesting. During a period of that time, you know, people used to put the food or biscuits or something under the bed or under somewhere so the spirit can come to eat. It's not only about that one, it's also about remembering for the person who has died. To also mention one very important thing. In the third day, when they're gonna bury the body, there is gonna be 2 church meetings on that day. I don't know, maybe it depends also about the church, but there is gonna be the blessing, there is gonna be a singing, there is gonna be also like a small preach, like a church service where the body is. And after that one, when the church meeting is over, then the whole family and the people who attend to the meeting, they will take the body to the graveyard and then they bury it there. And then of course there is gonna be the second church meeting, usually on the evening time. We also add for many other things, but this is just a few things what people do. One thing what I want to also mention about it is that third day people are also waiting for the spirit to come in the household. And how that usually looks like. It can you can smell it. Maybe the person who has died smells a certain way, or maybe she or he uses different kind of powders or lotions or something like that. And when the family is gathering in their house, they are waiting for the spirit to come, and maybe they can smell it, maybe they can hear it. And I have heard also many stories about how the people have met for the spirit. And also third day or fourth day, they will go to the graveyard and they will see if there is something, if something has happened in that graveyard. So they can also see that have the spirit went there and or have it raised or whatever. No? A few things what I just mentioned in this video, and it depends also about the family, what the family believes, what is the background and this and that. But anyway, thank you very much guys for watching this video. We will see you in the next video. When, where, what, only God knows. But till then, God bless you all. Bye.